Welcome to this DevTech channel. Here we are going to discuss about biggest among 5 numbers. For that, I declare 2 header files and 1 main function that return type is void. Here I declare the variables, then clear the screen. Here I just display the message at runtime for the user. And these for loops is used to get 5 elements at runtime. So these 2 for loops are used to compare the elements one by one. So when running this statement, the control will ask the element one by one like this. At first, I value is equal to 0. So the value will be entered in A of 0. So suppose the user enter the element as 10 means it will be stored in A of 0. Then I value will be increment by 1. Then A of 1 equal to some value 20. Then I value will be increment. Now I value is 2. So it check the condition 2 less than or equal 2 less than 5. So the condition is true. So the user enter the input as 30. Then I value will be increment by 1. Then I value equal to 3. Then check the condition 3 less than 5. Yes, it is true. So the user can enter the input like this. Then I value will be increment, then A of 4. So they enter the input may be 15. Then I value increment by 1. So A of 5. But it not satisfy the condition because I value is 5 and condition is less than 5. So this condition is not satisfied. So the control comes outside of the loop. Then we have 2 for loop for checking the element and store the biggest element in big variable. So that now the control will check like this. A of 10 greater than 10? No, both are equal. Then J value will be increment by 1. Then 10 is compared with the 20. This is also false. Then compared with this false. Compared with this false. Then here compared with 10 and 50. These are also false. So then come to the 5. The condition will be false. So the control comes outside of the J loop. So in because the garbage will be stored. Then now A of 1 is compared with all the elements in J loop. So 20 greater than 10? Yes. So if it is true means the A of I value will be stored in big variable. So the big variable has the value 20. Then compared with remaining elements, all these conditions will be false. Then when reach the value 5, J loop comes outside. Then I value will be increment by 1. Then A of 2 is 30. 30 is compared with all the elements in J value. This is condition true. So it will be replaced with the value 30. Then 30 greater than 20? Yes. So now A of I is 30. 30 will be stored in big value. Already we stored, so there is no changes. Then compared with this, both are equal. Then compared with this, the condition false. Then compared with this, the condition false. When reach 5 comes outside of the loop, then I value will be increment by 1. Now A of 3 value, that is 40 is compared with all the elements in 40. 40 greater than 30, 40 greater than 10? Yes. So 40 is stored in the variable big. So it is replaced by the value 40. Then compared with 40 greater than 20, yes. So already it is stored in, so there is no changes. Then 40 greater than 30, yes. Then 40 greater than 40, no, it is false because both are equal. Then 40 greater than 50, no. So comes outside of the loop, then I value will be increment by 1. Now A of 4 is 50. 50 is compared with all the value in J variable. 50 greater than 10, yes, condition is true. So the 40 is replaced with the value by 50. Then 50 greater than 20, yes, condition is true. Already the variable big has 50, so no changes. Then 50 greater than 30, yes. Then 50 greater than 40, yes. 50 greater than 50, no, the condition not satisfied because both are equal. Then J value will be increment by 1, 5. So it comes outside of the loop. Then I value also increment by 1. Now I is also 5, but our condition is I less than 5. So the condition false, then the control comes outside of the I value also. So at last the big variable has the value 50. So our answer is 50. Now we have to program. For compiling, press the shortcut key F9. We don't have the error. We go to the run option. So it just print the statement, enter 5 elements one by one. So that's why I am entering the input. This is the output of this program. Another input. This is the second type. So it is compared with each and every element minus values, very lowest value. So in this input we have the biggest value is big 10. So this is the output of this program. Thank you. If you like this video, click like button, and if you want video continuously means click subscribe button. Thank you.